Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your age restriction on TikTok problem. So let's say you uploaded a video on TikTok and it says age restricted in that video. If it gets the notification saying age restricted, that means your video has something inappropriate. And in that case, the only thing to fix that problem is to delete the video which you uploaded and then to cut out the part which is inappropriate or which you think caused the video to be restricted and re-upload the video. That's one way to fix it. That's how you guys can fix your age restriction on TikTok. And the other reason could be that the video got age restricted for no reason. So TikTok has a little AI which scans the video to see if there's anything inappropriate and age restricts video according to that. But sometimes that AI takes something mistakenly and age restricts some videos mistakenly for random purpose. It doesn't matter. They just for something like some bugs or some problem causes something and it age restricts some people's video. So in your case, let's say your video had nothing inappropriate and it got age restricted. Then the only thing you can do is report the problem to TikTok staff. How you guys can do that is click on the profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your TikTok profile. Now, once you're in your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the three line, click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, scroll a bit down until you see this option called report a problem. Once you see it, click on report a problem. And once you're inside report a problem, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called submit or report. Click on submit or report and it's going to bring you over here. And over here you want to write this. So let me show you what you have to write over here. So you just want to write this. One of my video got age restricted for no reason. Can you help me fix it? And click on submit. Once you do that, this problem will be submitted to TikTok. TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem, or they will remove the age restriction from your video. But if your video has something inappropriate, even after you reporting it, it's not going to be fixed. You just have to delete the video and remove the part which is inappropriate and re-upload the video. That's the only way you guys can fix this problem, alright? So that's how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.